This series of problems calculates the present value of a set of payments that occur at each of the periods. So if there's a series of equal payments, that's an annuity, those numbers go into the PMT, and they have to be the same amount and occur on each of the periods. All right, Sally offered to buy Fred's lake house. She's going to pay $2,000 a month for 10 years. Okay, so that'd be 10 years of monthly payments, and each of the monthly payments that she's going to take out of her pocket is $2,000. I'm using the negative side. She's not going to make any other payments after that. And the interest rate Fred wants to use to evaluate this is 7%. It's monthly compounding, so divide by 12, and then I'm solving for the present value. Equals PV, open parens, and then go up here to the FX button. Rate, number of periods, payment, future value, hit OK, and again I highlight the one I just solved. So that's the equivalent of $172,252. Even though it's a total of $240,000, the opportunity cost of that type of money means that it's the equivalent, that 120 payments of $2,000 a month is the equivalent of receiving $172,252 today. Farmer Brown's going to lease his property to Exxon for 99 years. Exxon will pay him $500 a year. If the opportunity cost is 12%, what's the deal worth to him today? All right, 99 payments. He's going to get $500, and then he's not going to get anything after the 99th year. And the rate is 12%. If I copy this, again, using cell references, I don't have to re-input everything. That's the equivalent of receiving $4,166 today. Ashley is injured in a car wreck, and the insurance company has agreed to pay her $1,000 a month for 10 years. All right. She's seen a television commercial where A.G. Wentworth will buy her series of 12 payments a year times 10 years, a series of 120 payments of $1,000 each, after which you get nothing. And A.G. Wentworth says we're going to discount that at 3% annual interest. Well, we need to convert the 3% annual interest into a monthly interest rate by dividing by 12. And the present value of that, that's the equivalent of receiving $103,000 in cash today. And that's what A.G. Wentworth would would pay her. And Ashley says, well, I don't like 3%, I want 7%. Okay, if we change this to 7% divided by 12, A.G. Wentworth would give her less money. It's less money because $86,000 deposited today, if it's earning 7%, would grow by the same, would be the equivalent of $103,000 that's only earning 3% per year. All right, so notice as the interest rate went up, the present value went down. All right, Aaron sued Michael for being a bad boyfriend and got awarded $200 a month for the next 5 years. So she's going to get 5 years, 12 payments a year, and she's going to get $200 every month, and then nothing else from her bad boyfriend. Michael is going to put the money into a trust fund that'll earn an annual rate of 6%, but we got to divide that by 12 to convert it to a monthly rate. And if we copy that down, the cost of being a bad boyfriend on a present value basis is $10,345 today. All right. Now, over the course of the 5 years, it'll actually be $12,000 of payments. The difference between what he has to put in today, $10,345, and the $12,000 Aaron actually receives, that the difference will be the interest that's earned on this $10,000 over time.